Hey, what's up folks? This is Keith and you're watching Barber's Auto Help. In this video, I have a great example of what it sounds like when the EGR cooler inlet tube breaks on a 2018 and later F150 equipped with a 2.7 liter. First, I'll share the example of the sound, and then afterwards, we'll talk a little bit about the repair that I performed to fix this. I'll even throw in a couple of part numbers for you that may help. Let's get into it. Well, this here is it. This is the EGR cooler inlet tube, and as you can see right there, the weld broke on it right there where the flange is. This is what bolts up to the side of your cylinder head, and that delivers the exhaust gas up into the EGR cooler. And as you're probably already aware of, the EGR cooler inlet tube lives on the driver's side of the engine. As you can see, I've got the turbo inlet tube removed and the air filter box removed for a little added clarity. So that tube lives right there just above and behind the alternator and just forward and above the turbo. Now when I replaced this cooler tube, I really didn't have to remove anything other than the turbo inlet tube and the air filter box to actually get to the cooler tube. Once I removed those items, I could then just unbolt the cooler tube from the cylinder head and the cooler, and I could fish it right out towards the front of the engine through that bracket right there. Kind of had to twist it and maneuver it a little bit, but it came right out. I did not have to remove that bracket. The installation of the new tube was basically reverse procedure. Of course, you have to twist and maneuver it through that bracket just like you had to do the old one to get it out. And something special about the new tube, for some reason it only comes with one gasket, so you'll need to order another gasket to go on the other end. Now this is the part number for the tube, and this is the part number for the extra gasket that you'll need. And by the way, sometimes these parts are updated. I would always advise you to consult your parts pro to ensure that this part number that I'm giving you hasn't been superseded. If it has been superseded, it may have been updated, and you definitely want to get the updated part for your vehicle because they may have beefed the part up a little bit to where this doesn't happen anymore. And if that's the case, you definitely want to go with the updated part so that you don't have any future problems. At least not with this. You also want to consult with your parts pro because this particular part may not fit the truck that you're working on. Say if you're working on a later model F150, the one shown in the video, by the way, is 2018. But if you're working on a 19, 20, 21, 22, the part may just be different. I'm not sure how many years this particular part will fit on the F-150 equipped with a 2.7 liter, so it's always best just to consult your parts pro. So please do that so that you get the right part. Well folks, that is it. I sincerely hope that this helped somebody. Please read the entire description down below this video before you apply any of this knowledge. There may be some things I need to clarify. That's where I do that. And also guys, I do my best to make all of my videos quick and to the point without wasting your time. So if you appreciate that, do me a solid and give the video a like. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you again guys, and have a wonderful day.